This is Sophie Heller, and this is an ACT English parallelism question. With a parallelism question, the best way to approach it is to make sure that we have the same types of words being used on all sides of a list. And you can tell this is a parallelism question because we're listing something with commas. So we have the care, maintenance, and sprucing up. These are all things that this architect of the Capitol over here is responsible for. So these are all going to be objects that he's responsible for. So let's go through and make sure that we're finding things that are the same types of words in order to keep with our parallel structure. So we see with our first choice, we have responsible for the care. So the care is an object, it's a noun. So it's a noun. Maintenance, also a noun. Sprucing up, it's a noun, but it's a noun phrase because it's taking this gerund, this sprucing, so it's a type of verb, and using it as a noun. So since we have just simple nouns here and here, it sounds weird to then go ahead and have sprucing up, which is a noun phrase made out of a gerund. So that's not going to keep with our parallel structure. So that's not going to be good. We see it again in choice 4, the sprucing up, and it also inserts an unnecessary comma here. So we'd want a comma before the and in our list, in our Oxford comma, but we wouldn't want it after the and because it's separating this term as and sprucing up, and it's causing a rift between the term. So that's bad for those two reasons. So here we have, the only difference here is we're choosing between nor and. So nor is negative, and is continuing with this list. So nor would sound very weird because he's responsible for the care, maintenance, nor sprucing up. Well, we're trying to list all these different things that the architect of the Capitol is responsible for. So we don't want to say he's responsible for these things, nor improvements. It just doesn't make any sense. So that's not going to be good. Choice number 3 is great because it keeps with our parallel structure. So improvements is also just a simple noun, like we saw with care and maintenance. And it has the right commas. It doesn't have a weird comma here like choice number 4. And it is just good in every way. So choice 3 is our answer.